Hello, my name is METİN. This is 274th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, electron mass is not a constant and is not 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram. In accepted physics theories, electron is dimensionless point particle and its mass is constant, and electrons are identical particles and they are indistinguishable from each other. Here is a quote from Wikipedia below. This is the quote. In particle physics, the electron mass is the mass of a stationary electron, also known as the invariant mass of the electron. It is one of the fundamental constants of physics. Source is internet, Wikipedia, subject is electron mass. If these ideas in physics were real, spectrum lines wouldn't form. Our universes wouldn't have come into being. Electrons. In my definition, electron motion forms are intrinsic motion forms of beta sensation perception matter, and they have dimensions. They have three dimensions: spherical, ring-shaped, repetitive motion forms, and there are different types, wavelength, size, electron motion form in our universes. And according to relatively to their wavelengths, their masses will be different. Here, for instance, most common electron motion form type in our universes and in our atoms with 91.155 nanometer wavelength size electron motion form. Okay. According to this, in speed of light direction component, I have computed like this. This is one of my formulas, C direction energy formula. Intertwined formulas I have. This is mass formula hidden in my energy formula. Okay. 2.423 10 to the minus 35 kilogram. This C direction component mass electron motion forms point, and it has linear velocity component 6.28 times greater than speed of light. Tangential velocity component mass is, I have computed, 3.8583 10 to the minus 36 kilogram, for instance. But here, this is black hole. Say, its wavelength is 600,000 kilometer. Its mass is, I have computed, yes, 3.68 10 to the minus 51 kilogram, for instance. And mass is variable because of electron motion form is the unique source of light in our universes. Free electron motion form produces and propagate successive waves, light waves, and as the light wave soars, if an electron motion form is relocating, in each direction, point mass will be changed. Okay. This is an electron motion form, like this. And here, its velocity is, say, 238,000 km per second, approximately near the speed of light, not just. In this direction, its mass different. Opposite direction, point mass different. In each direction, its mass different. Mass depends on its source, electron motion forms, velocity and direction, variable mass. Okay. And in atoms, for instance, according to my theory and my formulas, one proton, 91.155 nanometer wavelength size electron, make joint motion. Its point mass, for instance, C direction mass 2.42 10 to the minus 35 kilogram, for instance. But this is hydrogen atom. For instance, lithium atom, according to me, there are different wavelength size electron motion forms and different point masses electron motion forms, intertwined. 3 protons, say this one, electron motion form 1. I have computed approximately 10 nanometer, okay? Second electron, approximately 16 nanometer, and third electron motion form approximately 222 nanometer. Okay, up, down, up, intertwined, spherical, ring-shaped at their first cycle. This is lithium, according to me. This is the picture, lithium atoms picture that I put forward. This is first electron mass is different. Second electron mass is different. Third electron mass is different. Whether it is relocating or not. Intertwined. Okay. And be careful. Electron motion forms have dimensions. And under the effect of, for instance, here, hydrogen atom, 91.155 nanometer wavelength size electron motion form. Say, third effective successive wave of a free electron motion form come in, coincide with this junction, and this third wave, spherical wave, make this electron motion form expand. Now expand at the rate of square wave number. Okay. Because of third wave, 9 multiplied by 9 to 1. Okay. It expands to 820.3 nanometer. When it expands, its point mass will drop. Here, for instance, 2.34, here different, smaller than this. Okay. Electron motion forms are intrinsic motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter, as I told you before, and they are not point particles. They have dimensions and their masses are not constant, variable. Yes, I will go on next. Have a good evening. See you later.